Welcome to Modern Tactical Shooting. I'm Jeff Gerwich, and in this video I'm going to be covering the install of the hold-up displays wall behind me. Now, hold-up displays actually reached out to me about a year ago, seeing if I was interested in having really the wall as a backdrop of my studio, and actually I turned them down at the time because I was not in a permanent residence. I was leasing a house, but now that I have a room set aside at my new crib here, I decided, hey, it was fine time to hit them up and take them up on their offer. So yes, I did receive this wall free, but I'm going to cover the install of it right now. So starting off, I went to their website where they actually have a wall builder. You could put in the dimensions that you want and choose the racks, how you want to hold your guns. They have horizontal and vertical racks. And really, as you can see behind me, I only needed a 6-foot by 7-foot panel to cover up this window right here. And actually the hardest part of this whole install was framing out the window. I have zero carpentry skills. I actually had a good buddy of mine and one of my sons frame out the window. And when it came to actually installing the panels, really it took no time at all. This whole wall you see behind me, again, it's about 6 feet by 7 feet. Really took me about 45 minutes on my own once I started. Once you lay your base layer, the panels, they do interlock. Once you interlock them all together, it's just a matter of screwing them to the wall itself. And actually it went really quick. Again, about 45 minutes from start to finish to basically make the cube that you see behind me. Now the panels themselves, they are made out of metal, and again they simply interlock together and screw into the wall, and then it's just a matter of picking how you want your weapons to be displayed. Now when I built this off their website, I chose to have their horizontal racks, since this is more of a display and less of a practical, I would say, arms room type wall, so I wanted everything to be horizontal to display them for the backdrop of my channel. Now the skateboards are actually held in place by their pistol horizontal holders, and I think it worked out well. I think they look great here up on the wall. The actual mounting brackets are very sturdy. They're all metal, and they use these small little clips. Once you take the device that holds your weapon, it simply slides into the panel, and with this plastic clip right here, it locks it in place. So these little mounts aren't going anywhere. Now for my wall, as you can see, I have 3 horizontal rifle holders. Now there are 2 horizontal pistol holders. That's what's holding those skateboard decks on the wall. And I have 1 shelf. And actually looking at the design, I got room for at least, I think, 2 more horizontal rifle mounts. So I'm probably going to add those here in the future. Overall, I'm very pleased, and I think it turned out great. A lot better than what I had before, which was filming in the corner of my kitchen. Not the coolest looking layout for a firearms tactical channel, but I'm super pleased with this wall. I think it looks great. I think it matches my channel. And again, you can go to Hold Up Displays. I'll put a link down in the description to their website. Again, check out their wall builder. It can help you, guide you through the process of designing a wall that will fit your room. And again, I think it turned out great. HoldUpDisplays.com.